Hi, today we are at the South Brisbane location, 98 Logan Road, Woolloongabba, and there is something big happening at this location, especially for Jax Tyres. Jax Tyres has approximately 89 locations around Australia, and what they are doing is exactly this. They have installed the first couple of 22 kilowatt electric vehicle chargers. It's a 3-phase power, and this is the very first location. When this network is completed, it will represent the largest electric vehicle charging network at retail space in Australia. So guys, this is really good news. Jax Tyres is a very forward-thinking company. They have this vision that they know that it's all going electric, and they fully support this electric vehicle revolution. So come and check it out. You can now actually find this charger on PlugShare as well. Most importantly, all of this network of chargers will be free forever and free for all. So it's not just for customers of Jax Tyres, but it's also for public. If you are completely new to this YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe. Click on the bell notification next to subscribe button, and follow us on Facebook as well. We upload regular videos, and we've covered many Tesla superchargers between Melbourne and Brisbane, and we have covered almost all Queensland electric superhighway chargers as well on video. Your next road trip should be made easier if you need to find out what is available, what amenities and what is around those chargers. You can find them all on this YouTube channel. We are close to 950 subscribers at the moment, so thank you for your support. I appreciate it very much. I appreciate your views and your comments. And if you have comments regarding this video, Jax Tyres charging network, feel free to post them below. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.